Hi folks, and welcome to Animated LED Lighting. Today I want to show you how to make some simple candy canes. First, we're going to make the base. We half lap two 2x4s and then drive this one as the stake to hold the candy cane up. We can slide the candy cane right over this. We're using 4-inch tube for the candy cane, and this is a 3.5-inch 2x4, so this works perfect. We'll put this together and set it up. Then you end up with a candy cane like this, which you can go ahead and put red duct tape on. Roll of red duct tape you can get at Home Depot or any of the other box stores. And you can leave it like that if you want and just put them in your yard. But we added LED lights. We add LED lights to everything. So we're going to show you how we do that real quick. And this is fairly simple. Basically, once you build your base, you take a piece of 4-inch, what do they call it? Schedule 40. You can get these 2 feet long, pre-cut at Home Depot and Lowe's. Slide that over. That's no problem. Then you get a long elbow with an insert on both ends. Slide that over the top. And then get the street elbow, which is a shorter elbow, and it goes inside the first elbow. So it's that simple to put this candy cane together. So you can leave it white, you can leave it and put red tape on it and just leave it like that if you want, or you can put the LED lights on it in the back like we have there. So here we have the candy cane put together. Now you just need to do your tape, and you just need a roughly 45-degree angle. Just go slow. Don't reel out too much. You can pull it back off and straighten it out if it gets a little kinked or a little messy. And it doesn't have to be perfect unless that's the way you want it. Nobody's going to see any little wrinkles from the street side. Get in here and we get a little tighter. And that's going to do it. Because as you know, once you get duct tape going, it gets messy. So we get that there and we start again. But now, take off the longer piece so we can get around the stub. And just put it over the top. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go under. So this is where it gets a little tricky. Go around and straighten out all the wrinkles, and there will be a few, especially up near the top. Pull this back around because I don't like the way it looks. And just fold it up inside. Now you can put your LED lights right on top. I wouldn't worry too much about too many of the wrinkles. Some of them may irritate you and you can straighten them out. But from where I'm putting these, people can't see it from the street. They won't see wrinkles. They're 50 to 100 feet away. You won't see wrinkles from that angle, so wouldn't worry about it. And you can either leave it red and white, just the way it is, or you can put the lights on it, like the one in the background. Whatever your choice. Now I'm going to wrap the LEDs around it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one end of the cable that we made. I solder these things on because I think it's easier for me. You may want to clamp them on or crimp some connections on, whatever works for you. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to feed this one up and underneath. Feed this one up just until it starts dropping through. Pull that wire out the bottom until we get up near the top. We'll slide this thing back on. So the return wire, or the connection to the next candy cane, goes up inside, makes it easier. That way everything's hidden. I need my glasses because I'm old. Just peel off the backing because there's already an adhesive on here. Yep. Tear that off. Give yourself a little bit of room. You can tuck that back up in later. Give it a little stability on your joint. Right where the joint is connected, make sure you keep that on the candy cane on the outside. Nobody will really see it, it's dark out. And then if it doesn't stick that well, what I usually do is just take clear packing tape and put it right over it. And then just peel this and spin it around. As you make your way. Of course, you try to keep things centered. I have to patch this one. Try to keep things centered. Now I gotta figures. Alright. Now that one goes in there. We spin it around as we go. And even if this adhesive doesn't stick very well, they're wrapped so tight on here they're not going to come off. It's not going to just fall off onto the ground. And even if it did, you can always just take clear packing tape and put it back into place and cover it over. How are we going here? Yep. Just slowly wrap your way around. Try to keep it centered. That'll be helpful. Look a little better. That brings the other end right down to the bottom. And I'll go ahead and tape that one on with a little bit of red tape. It'll help to keep the connection in place, not be wiggling around. And there you have it. You can go ahead and wrap that up. And nobody should be able to see that. On the street, you'll see just the lights, and it'll look perfect. And that's how you do it. It's that simple. And then we'll connect another one, make all three. Okay, folks, now that we've got these candy canes out here on the lawn, you can see a little bit better how they work once you get the LEDs on them. During the daylight hours, the red stands out. The red duct tape stands out. But at night, all the LEDs stand out. I think there's a total of 375 LEDs on this, so it's really not a lot. And it doesn't draw much power. So anybody can do it. Give it a try. Try it for yourself.